Hey all, we are almost in the verge of financial half year end. So, how did this past 6 months go? Whether you are able to achieve your learning objectives, if you are someone in banking, finance, did you had any learning goals? Whether you are able to achieve that? If yes, good. And if not, and if you're looking for some sources or some courses or e-resources, then I have an invitation for you. I'm inviting you to become our Diamond Ultimate member. Yes, in our e-learning portal, we have a membership called Diamond Ultimate Membership, where you will get access to 130 plus courses related to banking, credit, finance, accounting, and also 90 ebooks and e-resources. And on the top of it, you will get assured free access for all our future courses as well. So that's why we call it as Diamond Ultimate Membership. If you wish to know about this, check the link in the description. You will see one-to-one discount form. Fill the form. I'll get in touch with you with the details so that you can explore, enroll, and empower yourself.